Hello everyone, welcome to Day 11 classes. Today I am going to discuss the part 1 of April current affairs, 50 most important multiple choice question of April 2020. In this session I will be discussing multiple choice questions of month of April. So let's start our class. The first news coming is, which private sector bank of India has launched banking service in WhatsApp? So due to COVID-19 pandemic, this bank has bought WhatsApp service. The answer is ICICI Bank. Keep the name of the bank in your mind. Let us see our next question. Name the Indian ministry which has launched the portal name Stranded in India. The answer is Ministry of Tourism. Minister of Tourism is, who is the Minister of Tourism? Keep in mind, it is Prahlad Singh Patel, independent charge, Minister of State, Tourism. Keep in mind, okay? Let us see our next question. Name the person who headed the team which developed coronavirus test kit called MyLab Pathogen COVID-19 Qualitative PCR Kit. The answer is Minal Dhakwe Bhosle. So, she is the chief of MyLab Discovery. Okay, she is the chief of MyLab Discovery Solution, and it is the first lab in India to receive full support to make and sell COVID-19 testing kits. So very important question, keep in mind. Arjun Dev, who passed away in 2020, he is a historian. Let us see our next question. As per report titled East Asia and Pacific in the time of COVID-19, the poverty is estimated rise by 11 million in East Asia Pacific region. Name the organization which released the report. The answer is World Bank. So in the COVID-19 pandemic, the poverty will increase, forecast by World Bank in the month of April only. Let us see our next question. What is the amount that was offered by World Bank to India for the proposed COVID-19 emergency response and health preparedness project? The answer is USD 1 billion. Keep in mind. Name the person who heads the advisory committee which recommends increasing the WMA means Ways and Means advance limit by 30% from the current limit for all states and UTs for first half of financial year 2021. The answer is Sudhir Srivastava, and he will be heading the advisory committee. Let us see our next question. Philip Warren Anderson, who passed away in April 2020, is the Nobel laureate in which field? The answer is physics. He got Nobel Prize in Physics, Nobel Prize in 1977 in physics. Keep in mind. Let us see our next question. Name the central government first comprehensive COVID-19 tracking app. The answer is Arogya Setu. Let us see our next question. Which Indian institute has developed the prototype for indigenous ventilator under Project Prana? The answer is IISc Bangalore. Let us see our next question. Name the country which has host the third edition of Asian Youth Games in 2021. The answer is China. In the month of November to December in 2021, going to host Asian Youth Games. Okay, keep in mind. Let us see our next question. With which company National Health Authority NHA has partnered to provide transport service to frontline health workers? The answer is Uber. So Uber has partnered with NHA and they will be helping to carry COVID-19 patients. So keep in mind, important question. When was International Transgenders Day of Visibility was observed annually? The answer is March 31st. Let us see our next question. Name the Indian state which topped all India level for micro irrigation MI under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana PMKS5 financial 2020. The answer is Tamil Nadu. So it has topped all India level of micro irrigation. Let us see our next question. Name the person who has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award by PETA, that is PETA. The PETA full form is, let me first discuss. PETA is People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. Keep in mind, this is the full form of PETA, PETA, can call it by any name. The answer is Naveen Patnaik. Naveen Patnaik is Chief Minister of Odisha. Okay, so he has been conferred with this Hero to Animal Award. Let us see our next question. By which year NASA has planned to set up Artemis, the first human base camp in South Pole of Moon? The answer is 2024. They are planning to send first a woman astronaut there, and then they will send a male astronaut. They are planning to build a camp in the human base camp in South Pole of the Moon. Okay, so important news. What is the amount that was granted as loan by Asian Development Bank to Awas Financer to improve women access to housing in India? So for affordable housing in low income communities, ADB is giving the loan financial assistance access to housing in India. The answer is $60 million. Keep in mind. Name the country which hosts FIFA Under 17 World Cup in 2020. The answer is India. It was postponed. With which ministry has designated DigiLocker as the sole national academic depository? NAD. The answer is 19. Answer is D. Ministry of Human Resource Development. I am sorry, the Ministry of Human Resource Department, it will be HRD. It is department. Okay. So the minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Union Minister of HRD is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Keep in mind, and has designated DigiLocker as the sole national academic depository, NAD. Let's see your next question. Name the person who has been appointed as the chairman of NASSCOM, that is National Association of Software and Service Companies. The answer is UB Praveen Rao. Let us see your next question. Name the initiative which was launched by Human Resource and Development Ministry along with AICTE for students to fight COVID-19. The answer is Samadhan. So Samadhan was launched to empower innovation among students. They could learn that how to fight with COVID-19 pandemic, to create a knowledge atmosphere among students. AICTE with HRD Ministry has launched this Samadhan program. Let's see your next question. Name the university which has launched world first COVID-19 government response tracker. The answer coming is number C, University of Oxford. So University of Oxford has designed the first ever tool to track, to compare policy response of government taking coronavirus outbreak around the world. So it has created such response tracker. They can track all over the world. Okay, na? For all over the world they can track with this University of Oxford. Our next question is, how many people working in informal sector in India having risk of falling into poverty as per International Labour Organization? The answer is 400 million. Means according to ILO, about 90% will people to fall into poverty. Let's see our next question. Name the first English player since 2005 to be renamed as Wisden leading male cricketer of the world 2020. The answer is Ben Stokes. Ben Stokes, England, is from player of England. So he has won male cricketer. So female cricketer award has also been announced. So from female, the name is, she is from Australia. Female player is Elise Perf. Okay, she is from Australia and she has been getting the first English player award in the female section for the world 2020. Elise Perf. Let's see our next question. Name the country which has become world leader in international patent filings at WIPO Patent Cooperation Treaty (PCT). The answer is China. It has filed maximum number of patent cooperation treaty. China is the answer. Let's see our next question. Which department has launched first of its kind iGOT portal in Diksha platform of Ministry and Human Resource and Development? The answer will be Department of Personnel and Training. So let me discuss what is Diksha is. Diksha is digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing platform of HRD. Okay, keep in mind platform of HRD. Okay, to enhance capacity building for frontline workers, it has been launched. Okay, keep in mind. RBI has approved reappointment of Sanjay Agarwal as MD and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank, who has been appointed as part-time chairman of this bank. The answer is Rajkumar Verma has been appointed part-time chairman of this bank. Name the mobile company which has acquired the weather app named Dark Sky. The answer is Apple has acquired this weather app Dark Sky. Okay. The Indian Council of Medical Research has approved to use diagnosis machine of which disease to coronavirus? Though they have allowed to use diagnosis machine of tuberculosis in case of coronavirus. Let's see our next question. Name the small finance bank which launched digital banking platform named DigiGen. So it has been launched by Jana Small Finance Bank. It enables user to open bank account, any bank account like savings also. You can also open bank account if you want to, savings or fixed deposits. Okay, in Jana Small Finance Bank, just go online and just with this platform you can open of DigiGen, digital banking platform they have launched. Name the Indian former RBI governor who has been part of International Monetary Fund, a 12-member external advisory group. So Raghuram Rajan has been selected by the MD of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva. Keep in mind. 33. With which smartphone company Google ties up to create coronavirus contact tracing technology using Bluetooth signal? The answer is Apple. They are tied with Apple. Okay, keep in mind. Let us see our next question. Name the first Indian state which gets ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, approval to conduct clinical trial of plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19. The answer is D, Kerala. And other news coming is the first state to get permission to start clinical trial is Kerala only. Okay, so keep in mind, very important question. This can be a part of examination. Let's see our next question. What is the annual global share of production of hydroquinone in India as per India Pharmaceutical Alliance IPA? The answer is 70%. Means India is the largest producer and exporter of hydroquinone. Keep in mind, very important. Name the Indian ministry which has launched the web portal Yukti to record and monitor the effectiveness and initiatives of the ministry. The answer is Ministry of Human Resource Development. To Young India combating COVID with knowledge, technology and innovation. The Yukti full form is Young India combating COVID with knowledge. K, the meaning of K is knowledge, T is technology and I is innovation. So keep in mind. Name the first state in India which integrates Ayurveda and allopathy to boost immunity of COVID-19 patient. The answer is Goa. CM of Goa is Pramod Sawant. Keep in mind. Keep linking. As per study of which organization only 1/4 of Indians pay for news but 2/3 is willing to pay? The answer is World Economic Forum has released its data as study. Let us see our next question. What is the theme of International Children's Book Day 2020 which was celebrated on April 2? The theme was Hunger for Words. Very important. Keep in mind the theme is important for all these days. One Cop One Gangster was launched in which state? It is launched by Uttar Pradesh state. Okay. Let us see our next question. Name the first Indian state which is going to measure gross environmental product, that is GEP. It is will be measured by Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand will set up this GEP for quantifying ecological growth. 42 number question is Jim Corbett National Park has become India's first quarantine center for animals. Where does Jim Corbett National Park is located? So Jim Corbett National Park is located in the state of Uttarakhand. The answer will be 1 here. Let us go to our next question. Find the airline company which launched India's first cargo on-seat flight to carry essentials amid COVID-19 pandemic. The answer is SpiceJet. Very important. It is India's first cargo on-seat flight to carry all the essential equipments for COVID-19 pandemic. Keep in mind. Let us see our next question. With which public sector bank the government telecom operator BSNL has partnered to launch Bharat InstaPay UPI based payment platform? So all this Bharat InstaPay and UPI is a platform we used to use for managing our bank account, to pay dish TV bill and mobile bills, electric bills. Keep in mind. 44 answer will be they are partnered with State Bank of India. Let us see our next question. Name the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Poker Stars India. The brand ambassador is MS Dhoni. Let us see our next question. Name the company which has won the Edison Award 2020 for its campaign named Club Switch Off to a Switch On. The answer is Tata Power. Keep the answer in mind. Name the company which has launched an initiative named Pragati to drive women entrepreneurship and to spread awareness and adoption of technology among women in India. The answer is Facebook. So Facebook has also given 50 lakh rupees for this initiative to encourage women to start their own business, okay, and adopt technology based business. Okay, let us see our next question. Name the Indian city which announced face mask is mandatory in public places. So Mumbai has announced this. Keep in mind. What is the current repo rate of India as announced by RBI? So current reverse repo rate is 3.75%, and also keep in mind the repo rate as per RBI 2020 April data is 4.40%. Okay, so keep these two data in mind. Our next question is name the person who has been appointed as the ambassador of World Wildlife Fund India Environmental Education Program. The answer is Vishwanathan Anand, the world chess champion. He's a 5-time world chess champion. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my 50 most important current affairs part 1 of April 2020. I will be coming with the part 2 very soon. So thank you for watching. एक like, share और subscribe तो बनता है for this video. Please share with it with your friends. And keep watching this channel. Thank you for joining Dare to Win family.